Okay, welcome back, class. All right, we're going to start with our first fraction. 1/2 plus 2/8 equals. Okay, the first thing that we have to do, because they're not common denominators, right? And we can't mix apples and oranges. We can't mix eighths and halves. So we have to find a common denominator. And the easiest way to do that is find the least common multiple. The lowest number that both of these numbers will go into evenly. Alright, so we'll start with the 2. 2, 4, these are the multiples of 2. Okay, now we're going to do 8. Oh, we don't even have to go any further. Here we go. There's an 8. There's an 8. So we know that our least common multiple for 1/2 and 2/8 is 8. Alright, so let's rewrite it here. 1/2 plus 2/8 equals. Alright, well, we know that we multiplied both of them by something to get eighths, right? So let's see. Well, this one we know that's really easy because we started with eighths. So we just multiplied it by 1, right? So whatever you do to the denominator, you also have to do to the numerator. All right? So 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, now this one. What did we do to 2 to get to 8? We multiplied it by 4, right? So that's what we're going to do to the numerator, okay? Because again, whatever you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator. 4 over 4 is the same as 1, right? So all we're doing is changing denominators so that we can add them together. Okay, 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, we're going to rewrite our problem here. 4/8 plus 2/8, right? 4/8, 2/8 equals, we know it's going to be eighths, so we can just cover that part up, right? And what do we have? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. This last box, we have that there so that, yes, we can add the problem together or subtract it, do whatever we need to do. But here is where we're also going to simplify, reduce it. Okay, we're going to simplify. Okay, we're going to put this fraction in its simplest terms. So, we have 6/8. What number can go into 6 and 8 evenly? Easy enough. 2, right? So we're going to put 2 goes into 6 how many times? 3. 2 goes into 8 how many times? 4. Can we go any simpler than that? Can we reduce that any more? 3/4? No. So that's our answer. 3/4. 1/2 plus 2/8 equals 3/4. Okay? Easy enough, right? All right, let's try another one. As you're doing these, if you want, you can have mom, dad, your sister, your brother, your aunt, your uncle, whoever can help you with it. If you're, having a hard time or you're not understanding it, you can have them help you. Or, of course, you can watch the videos. Or, I'm also going to have this all written down, so if it's easier for you to read how to do it and then do it, you can do that too, okay? Whatever way is easiest for you to learn how to do it, that's what I want you to do, okay? Because not everybody learns the same. Everybody does things differently, right? That's why they make vanilla and chocolate. So, okay, next problem. 3/5 plus 2/7 equals. Okay, first thing we have to do, least common multiple. All right, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It's a lot of numbers. Okay, 7. Start with 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Oh, 35. There we go. 35. So 35 is the least common multiple of these two fractions. All right. So here we go. 3/5 plus 2/7. And we know that we said the common denominator is going to be 35ths, right? All right. So what did we do to this denominator to make it 35ths? We multiplied it by 7. Good. And what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator. Good, good, good. All right, 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 7 is 21. Good. All right, and what do we do to this one here? All right, this one we multiplied by 5. So we're going to multiply this by 5. Okay. 35. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. So we're going to rewrite our problem here. 21 35ths plus 10 35ths equals, all right, we know it's 35ths, right? And again, we can cover that up right there, and we can just have 21 plus 10 because we know that all the numerators are the same because we changed them up here, right? So 21 plus 10 is 31. Can we simplify that any? Can we reduce it? Are there any numbers other than 1 that will go into both of those numbers evenly? No. So that is our final answer. 31 35ths. Okay? Okay. At the end of the subtraction part, I have a worksheet for you guys. There's addition and subtraction, and there's 2 special problems on there. If you guys want to try them, awesome. If you don't want to try them, that's fine. We can do it in class tomorrow. But I would say give it a shot. If you can't do it, it's okay. We'll figure it out tomorrow. But if you can do it, go ahead and, do it. Let me say. All right? And make sure that you print that paper out, or if you don't have a printer, you can write the problems on another piece of paper and bring them into class with you tomorrow, and we will go over them. Okay? Now remember, if you don't bring it with you during recess, you're going to stay in and you're going to do that. Okay? So make sure you get that paper done. All right? All right. Have a great night, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.